This video is for the Whirlpool made vertical modular washers. In this video, I will show you how to put the washer on the automatic test mode. I will show you how to be able to run the washing machine on the automatic test mode with the door open. What I'm going to show you should only be done for testing purposes, and it requires that you remove the lid lock striker from the door. So you need to make sure that you don't put your hands inside of the washer spin drum while testing the washer, okay? To remove the lid lock switch striker from the door, you will need to use a T15 torque screwdriver like this one. Go ahead and remove the lid switch lock striker from the door. Put the lid lock striker in the switch like this and tape it so it stays in place. Close the door until you set the washer on the automatic test mode. Put the cycle selector knob in this position. You will need to do what I'm going to show you within 6 seconds. If you take longer than 6 seconds, it may not work and you will need to try it again until you get it right. You will need to turn the cycle selector knob the way that I'm going to show you next. Remember that you need to do this within 6 seconds. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. If all the green LED lights are blinking on and off, it means that the washer is on the diagnostic test mode. If none of the green LED lights are blinking on and off, you will need to repeat the previous procedure. Now you need to set the washer on the automatic test mode. To do that, turn the cycle selector knob to the right until the spin light is on. Then press the start button to begin the automatic test mode. Open the door on the washer to be able to see what the washer is doing. But please, keep your hands out of the tub. As you can see, the washer is filling. So it's checking the water intake. Just going to put a little bit of water. Remember, this is just testing the machine. It's just putting enough water to test. Now it's checking the agitation. Now he's checking the drain pump. He's checking to see how good the drain pump is working. Now the shifter is putting the transmission on the spin mode, so that might take a little while. And there it goes, that's the spin. So that's really checking the motor, the shifter, and the run capacitor. Now you let it go on its own until it finishes the complete automatic test mode. Now you can close the door. When you see the dawn light on, you can just push on the start button to finish. Remove the lid lock striker and put it back on the door. Please follow the instructions that I show you so you don't get hurt. Okay? And that's it. That's how you do it. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to put the washer on the fault display mode. Okay? If you like this video, you could subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.